Today I'm doing purple for Alzheimer's. I am going to use two palettes. I'm going to use the Blend Bunny Premier palette and Juvia's Place Culture palette. Purple for Alzheimer's. What is the difference between dementia and Alzheimer's disease? While dementia is a general term, Alzheimer's disease is a specific brain disease. It is marked by symptoms of dementia that gradually gets worse over time. Alzheimer's disease first affects the part of the brain associated with learning, so early symptoms often include changes in memory, thinking, and reasoning. Alzheimer's is something a lot of people are dealing with, and it is painful to family members who have to watch the progression of Alzheimer's take away the memories of their loved ones. So I'm creating this purple look today in awareness of Alzheimer's disease. June is Alzheimer's and Brain Awareness Month, and they use a purple ribbon. The National Alzheimer's Day is September 21st. There's currently no cure for Alzheimer's disease, but there is medicine available that can temporarily reduce the symptoms. Someone with Alzheimer's, you should never ignore them. Don't talk to them like they are a young child or a baby. Don't use terms of endearment instead of names. Don't assume they're confused all the time. Don't quiz them. These are some other things you don't do with someone who has Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's disease is thought to be caused by an abnormal buildup of proteins in and around the brain cells. Alzheimer's is a type of dementia that affects memory, thinking, and behavior. Symptoms eventually grow severe enough to interfere with daily tasks. Alzheimer's is really memory loss. The greatest known risk factor is increasing age, and the majority of people with Alzheimer's are 65 and older. Alzheimer's disease is considered to be younger onset Alzheimer's if it affects persons under 65. And when you have Alzheimer's, again, your loved ones forget, they don't remember where they are. It's not every day, but sometimes they do forget, some days more than others. And the stages progress. As the stages progress, the more they forget, the more they become lost. And we have to be there for them because it is a very sad thing to witness. And I used to work at a retirement home years ago, and I saw that, and it is very heartbreaking. The most early symptoms of Alzheimer's is difficulty remembering newly learned stuff. Just like the rest of our bodies, our brains change as we age. Most of us eventually notice some slowed thinking and an occasional problem with remembering certain things. However, serious memory loss, confusion, and other major changes in the way our mind works may be a sign that brain cells are failing. So if you notice that, please find help, to go to the doctor, check and make sure that whatever is going on is not Alzheimer's. Today's encouraging message word is I could do nothing without my problems. They toughen my mind. In fact, I tell my assistants not to bring me their successes, for they weaken me, but rather to bring me their problems, so they strengthen me. And that was written by Charles Franklin Kettering. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I simply make up a saying to go out there and live life and be safe. If you have someone who's suffering with Alzheimer's, I pray that everything that you are doing to help them out, you will be praised. And please take care of your loved ones while they can remember you. Make memories, talk, laugh, have fun, and enjoy it. Alzheimer's is painful, so I'm sending prayers to everyone who's dealing with someone who has Alzheimer's. Please be safe, please be well, and even though they have Alzheimer's, always remember to tell them you love them, and if you are close to them, always give them a hug. Simply make up a saying, bye.